Hello there, this is lostfile, and I am doing a review on Haiku OS, which is pretty much um, based off the BOS operating system, which was an operating system that appeared in the early 2000s and disappeared, and it was had something to do with the company did something they weren't supposed to or something like that. They got in trouble and it went out of business. But anyways, so this is a development build of that haiku, and every development build of haiku has a package manager. The latest version of haiku that is stable, which is 4.1, which came out in 2012, does not have a package manager as far as I know. So, and for an example, I want to install 7-zip. So I'm going to install this because it's a good program to have, and okay, so it says it's already installed, so I should be able to open any 7-zip archive that I want to currently. So I already have some other things installed as well. It also comes with a software center too, which isn't really that great, but it's a start. So it has a software updater, and I forget the name of the software center. What was it? I think it was the software depot. Oh, it was the haiku depot, is what it was. So as you can see, these are all the packages in the repository currently. Or you can hit only show, only featured, which shows these big icons. You can have color paint. That's a KDE application. What are KDE? Why are they porting KDE applications to this? I mean, KDE is not bad of a desktop, but it's one of those things where it's a victim of its own success. It was kind of it was okay. I wonder if this has Flash. I highly doubt it. But it does have SFM player, whatever it was, which is kind of like Flash. FSM player. Okay, so this is a front end for MPV. Wireshark. They actually have Wireshark. And Qubit Torrent. Okay. So, nah, don't show only. I want video. I have rsync, wget, some FTP server, some Potter, some blog platform. Sweet, they actually have that. CURL, that's a good command line tool. Netcat. Quapzilla. They have not updated that. quite browser. I've played around with that. It's an interesting web browser. It's command line based. So let's go to web positive here and let's try playing some YouTube videos. Okay. The web browser's quite old and I don't know if it'll support YouTube. But it's worth a shot. Terminate. Okay, that crashed my web browser. Yeah, no, I can't view YouTube with this. How about Vidly? That will. So another thing I have noticed, but with the recent builds of Haiku, for some reason, I've been having problems with the networking interface and VirtualBox with Haiku with the latest releases. I don't know why, but I have, and just want to let you guys know out there. Okay, so Vidly. Let's see. See if this will load the Vidly page. Oh, and it does with no problem. Let's see how well it plays a Vidly video. It plays. Oh, I can copy URL, looper. Okay. Interesting. Enter full screen. Okay, so apparently they have a new admin now on Vidly. So basically, Vidly is like a, sort of like a, YouTube, but it's like back in the 2009 days, or 2008. And I think it froze. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. I might actually have to do a forced reboot. Oh. Oh, this is bad. Let's do a forced reset. Give it a try. It's still waiting for it to load, or configuring the network setup. Give it a moment. Okay. Let it configure. Come on. Well, like I said, with the recent builds, I've been having some really bad problems with the Ethernet adapter. I don't know why. But I guess I'll end it right here for now.